So you could choose either short or long side depending on the rice bag. It's different. Sometimes there's longer sides, shorter sides, up to you. So there's 2 strings, so you want to kind of loosen it out from it. So once you kind of have, like, I call it the 2 hands flying out like this, there's like gonna be a loop. So there's one loop there, right? You see that loop? And there's already string inside that loop, and you already know when you pull this side here, that loop is gonna go into that string that's inside of it. So what you want to do is take out the string that's inside that loop, right? So from there, I'm gonna turn this around and just see if there's any knots that's gonna happen if I pull this 2 hands here. So I'm gonna pull one right now. See how that came out really nicely? This one's also going to release itself. And this is the shape you want. You have little loopy here, and what I like to call the 2 hands sticking out like this. 2 hands here. There's no strings inside. There's not going to be any knots. You can just pull. And boom. The rice bag will open. Okay, I'm gonna have you try the bottom one.
Let's see. So we just gotta unleash the ears or hands. So I'm gonna do this, right? Okay, it's right here, it's right here.
Yes.
Okay.
And if
yes, and then undo
if there's
this a knot.
You take the string that's in the loop out.
Okay, I see it. It's right here. Right there. I did that. I don't know. How can you... Do you just have to pull it?
Nope, you did it wrong. You don't take the loop out. You take the string that's in the loop out.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
That's what I did. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it out of the loop. Right? Okay. I think is it? Yeah.
Let me see. Show me loopy with 2 hands. Let me see. Oh, loopy with 2 hands.
Isn't it?
Look at that.
It
Yeah,
is?
you see no knots around here.
I don't think it would
That
form a
means when
knot.
you pull the 2 strings on the end, it might work. So let's see.
Oh my gosh. Moment of truth. Yay! Boom! You don't even need to cut it.
Wasn't that satisfying? You defeated the strings.
Yay! Now I know.
What do you look for?
Loopy with 2 hands.